guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over another silky straight unit, and this one is from their all day comfort collection. Here she is straight out of the box. This unit does come with pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. It also comes with a pre-styled side part, and now that I'm looking at it, it also comes with like pre-cut hairs on the side. I'm guessing that's for like a little swoop, the little edges and whatnot. I don't necessarily know how I feel about that part. I mean, it is what it is now. I also don't know if every unit is gonna come with that as well. I mean, I don't know. I guess we're gonna utilize it either way it goes though now. I'm not exactly sure what the density is for this unit. I'm not gonna lie, she kind of feels like she's like 180, maybe 200% density, but keep in mind that most of LuvMe Hair's units are around 150% density. With all the running my fingers through this unit so far, I've gotten very little shedding. The lace space on this unit is a 7x6, meaning you are going to have 7 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. As for the cap construction for this unit, it does come with one comb in the back that you can remove if you choose to do so. And also, instead of having the traditional adjustable straps, it does have like the bra strap style one. And keep in mind, this unit is supposed to be able to fit anybody. So depending on where you place the hook set, that will determine your head size and how it fits also. So yeah, if you put it in the one that's furthest in, of course that's going to be for small. The middle one is going to be for medium-sized heads, and then the one that's on the furthest one out is obviously going to be for the larger size heads. This unit does come with the hooks on the inside of the caps where you can use a security band. I'm probably not going to use mine if I'm going to be completely honest, but one other thing I wanted to point out before installing the unit is that it does come with like this curve on each side of the unit, like on the sides of the unit. I mean, I guess I just said that, sides of the unit. Anyways, child, the curves are there so it will fit. Lord, why can't I talk? So it will fit comfortably around your ear.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit from LuvMe Hair. So first we're going to start with my cons, and girl, I ain't got none. I have zero, zip, zilch, nothing, nada bad to say about this wig. Before we get into my pros for this unit, number one, I'm going to tell you guys to go ahead and pick up this unit. And number two, while you're checking out, go ahead and use my discount code Dotson. That'll save you 32% off of their entire website. Okay, but now to go ahead and move on to my pros. Number one, like y'all, it's a silky straight unit. You really can't go wrong with the silky straight unit, especially when the density is nice. Like I said earlier, I'm not really sure what the density for this unit is, but in my opinion, she feels like she's a 180 to 100% density. Now, if she is 150% density, well then, whichever one it is, shout out to you, LuvMe Hair, because she feels very nice and natural feeling. Another thing I'm really loving about this unit is how beginner friendly she is. Keep in mind, she does come with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. But then to top it off, this is a 7x6. Again, just to remind you guys, or if you just like ended up skipping forward in the video. Anyway, child, she is a 7x6, so therefore you don't have to worry about lace staying down on your entire hairline or in front of your entire hairline. Girl, you know what I mean. Also, with this being a 7x6, yes, I did go ahead and keep it in its pre-made style, which was a side part, but you also can do another side part on the other side, or you can do a bust down part. The options are endless. That's what I'm trying to say. Girl, I cannot talk today. Now, I will say, keep in mind, with it being a 7x6, if you plan on doing a little ear tuck like I have done right here, if your hair is not like on the darker side or matches the color of the wig, then yeah, you might want to just like keep it untucked. That way you're not like clocked too much. The last pro I have to say about this unit is the lace. As you guys saw earlier when I threw this wig on my head, the lace blended instantly, like literally instantly. And the fact that I did not melt this lace whatsoever, come on now, like, LuvMe, y'all really doing y'all big one with this lace. But yeah, girl, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Like, this wig, I'm not gonna lie, probably gonna get ran down to the ground. I love wigs like this. I have already been wearing the 13x4 version of this wig like non-stop pretty much, but I've been wearing it with the headband whenever I don't want to like melt the lace. This one, I ain't got a whole lot of lace to melt, so I can either melt the lace or I can just go ahead and wear a headband. Sorry, I keep looking down. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I think I'm a little cute today. But yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.